How to edit offline in Google Docs. If you want to use Google Docs but you don't always have internet connection, that's not a problem. Google Docs allows you to edit documents while offline. Any changes that you have made in offline will be applied to the online documents once you have internet connection. So to start, you first need to be online to prepare for offline use. First, go to Menu, Settings, and offline needs to be checked. However, by default, this will only make your most recent files available offline. To save a specific document offline, what you have to do is click on the three dots and select Available Offline. And if you're already using the file, you have to go to File and Make Available Offline. Because I've already checked that, let's just uncheck this. Here it is, Make Available Offline. If we check that, it will be available offline. Now, your phone or tablet can also use Google Docs offline if you use the Google Docs app available for iPhone and Android. And that's how to edit documents offline in Google Docs.